Hey everyone, this is Mike with Tyro FX, and I just want to bring you this quick short video to let you see what we did this week. It is a real account, as you can tell there, real account. Let's go to our history. See what we did today, Friday. It's after 8 o'clock Eastern time, so here we go, Friday. $313, took a few trades, and let's see what we did for the month. For the week, sorry. So it's 8. Here we go. $1,758 in pure profit. So can't complain with that. So we're constantly tweaking our strategy where we're getting more wins than losses. Exactly. That was 33 trades. 130, lost 3, for still a profit of $1,758. If you're struggling to have consistent results as a trader, trading Forex or the US 30, whatever it may be, if you're not seeing consistent gains daily, weekly, if it's a pure struggle for you, I'm sure I got the fix for you. It's basically having rules with a strategy that works consistently, not just sometimes but all the time. And that's what you need in your life. You got to have consistency, and you got to have rules, and you got to have money management. See, our balance is $3,000, and we stick with a 0.03 micro lot size. So and that's crucial to our success. So it's very crucial. So I encourage you guys, if you're interested in wanting mentorship, we have a platform where we can train you. We go live twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday nights at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find my contact information below. Give me a call, give me a text, let me know that you're interested, and then we'll talk, and I'll see if you're a good fit, or if we'll both see if we're a good fit for each other, to work for each other and with each other in our platform. So just give me a call. You'll find my number below in the description box. And if you haven't yet, take the time, please subscribe to our channel, ring that bell notification, and give us a thumbs up. And if possible, leave us a comment. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching our video, and be looking out for the next video next week. Have a great weekend. Thanks, guys.